What if I told you you could turn any text into lifelike AI voice? And that too for free. No paid tools, no complex software, and it works in any language and in any accent. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to convert these AI tools into your personal AI voice generators. By the end of this video, you will know two methods to generate speech from text completely for free. You can generate realistic AI voices that sound exactly like humans.
Oh, really?
Yes, you'll also get multiple voice options to choose from. Whether you want a male voice or a female voice, you can select according to your preference. You might have seen that not all AI voice generators are able to generate voice in Indian accent. In today's video, you'll see how to generate voice in Indian accent too. But before we begin, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. To generate an AI voice, first I will log in into ChatGPT. In the Ask Anything box, I will add this prompt. Write a kid's story in 100 words with a catchy title. In just a few seconds, ChatGPT will create a kid's story for me. The title of the story is The Moon Who Lost Her Glow. Now that the story is created, we need to convert it into voice. You see these options underneath the story? If you hover on the fourth option, you'll see this text, read aloud. Let's click on that and listen to this.
Title: The Moon Who Lost Her Glow. One night, the moon forgot how to shine. The stars blinked, puzzled. Are you sick? Asked Jupiter. Just shy, whispered the moon. Earth sent her a mirror. You're beautiful, chirped a comet. Blushing, the moon began to glow, brighter than ever. Owls hooted, children waved, and even the sleepy clouds smiled. Thank you, said the moon. I just needed a little love. From then on, whenever she felt dim, she remembered the stars, the mirror, and her shine came back. And every night, the sky danced with her light. The moon never felt shy again.
So you saw how beautifully ChatGPT converted the text into voice in just a few clicks. I can use this voice for voiceovers, for creating audio files, audiobooks, or any other purpose. You might have observed that a lot of tools are unable to catch the punctuation marks like exclamation marks or commas. It's also hard for these tools to portray the correct emotions properly. But you can see that this voiceover had proper pauses wherever necessary and it captured the expressions quite well. So far, we saw how ChatGPT created a script for us. But in a situation when you don't want ChatGPT to generate the script for you, but you have your own script that you want to convert into speech, that's possible too. For example, I had this script that I want to convert into speech. To generate a voice for this paragraph, I will go to ChatGPT and I'll write a magical word in the Ask Anything box. That magical word is repeat. The next step is to go to my script and copy it. Now, I will come back to ChatGPT and paste it underneath the word repeat. By doing this, I'm telling ChatGPT to rewrite the text as is. Now, you see it is generated exactly like my original script and no changes are there. I will click on the read aloud button to start the audio as I showed earlier.
Sure. Here's your text repeated. AI is a branch of computer science that deals with the creation of intelligent machines that think and act like humans.
So you see, with simple clicks, I can generate a voiceover for my own script. The voice that you heard was a male voice. Let's see how to change the voice from male to a female version. To change the voice settings, click on this icon on the top right of the page and click on Settings. Then click on Speech. From here, you can select multiple options. The default voice was Arbor so far. Now, let me select Soul for a female voice.
Hey, what's up? Feel free to ask me about anything that's on your mind.
You also have other options that you can pick from ChatGPT. Now that we have seen the voiceover, let's see how we can download it and use it for later. You can use it for creating audio or video resources. In order to download this AI generated voice, there are two ways. Let me tell you the first one now and the other one I'll tell you a little bit later, so stick around. If you're using Mac, the first method is by using the app called Quick Player. You can open the Quick Player and click on File. Then click on New Audio Recording. You see this little box appearing on the top left corner? I will click on the red button and now I will go back to ChatGPT and click on Read Aloud. The same thing that I did earlier.
Sure. Here's your text repeated. AI is a branch of computer science that deals with the creation of intelligent machines that think and act like humans.
Now, after I'm done recording, I will stop it. Let me quickly show you how the audio sounds after generation.
Sure. Here's your text repeated. AI is a branch of computer science that deals with the creation of intelligent machines that think and act like humans.
So now you have the audio voice downloaded on your device to be used later. The voice that you hear at the beginning of the clip which says, "Sure, here's your text repeated." This is generated by ChatGPT when you give an instruction to repeat the text. To get rid of this, there are two options. Either you give a specific instruction to ChatGPT to not be chatty, or you can cut the clip from the voiceover. While ChatGPT supports multiple accents, at the moment, as far as I know, it doesn't support Indian English accent. In case you know a way to generate voiceover in Indian accent, please do leave a comment. So, in order to generate audio in Indian accent, I will use another tool that I mentioned earlier in the video. That tool is called the text-to-speech feature in Google Cloud. The text-to-speech feature is completely free in Google Cloud, but you will be required to enter your card information. Don't worry, just because Google Cloud is asking your card information doesn't mean that you will be charged. It's Google, so it can be trusted. There are no hidden charges. It offers a free tier that provides up to 1 million characters per month at no cost. 1 million characters is a huge limit to exhaust. And remember that this refreshes every month and the free quota is available indefinitely. It's not just for 1 year or 2 years. Now, let's see how to use Google Cloud. You can log into Google Cloud and go to the text-to-speech feature. I will add the direct link in the description. When you click on the link, you will be redirected to this screen. Here, I see an option of synthesize speech from text. I will now copy the text from ChatGPT and then paste it on Google Cloud. Here, in the language dropdown, I will select English-Indian. After I select the language, the default is an Indian female voice. You can see there are multiple options to choose from. Once all the settings are changed, I will click on Synthesize. Now we will hear a sample voice clip to see how it sounds.
AI is a branch of computer science that deals with the creation of intelligent machines that think and act like humans. AI is an entire field of study, just like chemistry.
This sounds real and so amazing. So you saw, just in a matter of few seconds and some clicks, Google Cloud managed to generate a real sounding speech for me, that too in Indian English accent. Now, I will tell you about the second way to download the audio. The best thing about Google Cloud is that once you're happy with the sound, you can download it directly. You don't need to use the audio recording feature to download this voiceover. When you saw, in just a simple click, Google Cloud will let you download this audio, so it's much more easier and seamless. So, in this video, I showed you two methods on how to convert text to speech completely for free: ChatGPT and Google Cloud. Do try both of them and let me know in comments which one works better for you. You can use these audio files as voiceovers for faceless videos and audiobooks. By the way, if you're creating content on YouTube and want to create amazing thumbnails using AI, watch this video that I made earlier. I show a step-by-step guide on how to make amazing and stunning thumbnails using the power of AI, that too completely for free. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care and bye-bye.